Subscribers, that I will tell you how you can easily set a passcode to your screen time option on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here screen time. Just open screen time, just scroll down until you will see here use screen time passcode. So here you can see it. Use a passcode to secure screen time settings and to allow more time when limits expire. So just tap on use. Now just write some passcode. So now you just need to add it to your Apple ID. So just write your Apple ID and your password to your Apple ID. And here you can see if you forget the screen time passcode, you can use your Apple ID to reset it. So just tap on OK. So after you will enter it, just tap on OK and it will successfully enable this option on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.